So guys, we found a bird. He looks injured. Hold this. I don't know what type of bird he is. He's already gotten used to us, which is pretty bad. Hold it up. So I don't know what bird he is. He looks like he is young, but my guess, it's okay. He looks injured. I don't know if he is, but we have him right now. We got him because he was a bit fly, and so we're trying to get him to start flying. He's kind of doing it. I poked his head. He is getting there. He is pretty injured. I think I found the problem. His back wing bone right here.
Oh.
Or whatever that is.
Yeah.
Oh. I think I found it.
Wow.
What a majestic bird. He's a little feisty. He likes biting. It's okay, my baby. It's okay. Ah! Tried to bite him. But, golly. Pain in the butt. He fell out of a tree.
We're guessing.
Is what we're guessing. But,
Yeah.
he nosedives. I don't think there's anything wrong with him. I just think he is off balance just a little.
How come his leg went all the way up to his...
He's doing pretty good. Overall, I think we need to get him to a vet, I think.
Mm-hmm.
So, we're gonna leave that for a different time, but right now we can't really do anything, so we're not gonna kill him or anything.
We're gonna try and get him onto the highest thing he can get to so he can start flying.
But we caught him. We don't know if he is going to
RJ,
be
your
okay.
face is kind of... You went down and the camera's down and your face kind of got in there.
But
There he goes.